Hey guys, welcome to Jan Technology. Today is how to make your YouTube channel Sunday, and I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to your videos. So before we begin, make sure you have subscribed already, and remember to like and share this video. So let's get started. First, go to YouTube Studio in your channel, and then in the left bar, in the dashboard, click Settings, and then click Channel. Click branding, and then it will probably be in this screen. Click choose image, and then choose an image. So it must be a square image. You can edit it in some photo editors, and the file size must be smaller than 1 megabyte, I think. So I have chosen it. Next, just choose the display time of the watermark. I like using it the entire video. You should be seeing it in the right corner. It's there now. You can also have the custom start time. Maybe, yeah. So also you can display it at the end of the video, but I like using entire video. After you have done it, click save, and then you are you're done. Okay, so thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.